In this presentation, I'm going to share with you the top investment tips for trading in cryptocurrency. The price of Ethereum and Bitcoin have exploded in recent years, begging the question, is there a sufficient upside potential to start investing in cryptocurrencies? In other words, is it still worth looking into investing in cryptocurrencies, or is it too late? If you aren't very familiar with cryptocurrency but are looking at investing, here are the top tips for trading in cryptocurrency today. Look at real-world usage. Most people are unaware of cryptocurrencies, and if you are considering investing in them, you need to look at real-world usage. According to Statista, only 24% of adults in the U.S. are familiar with the most known cryptocurrency, with only 2% actually using cryptocurrencies and another 25% thinking of using it in the future. This potential increase in use should get investors excited. Cryptocurrency must solve a problem in life. Merely buying cryptocurrencies in hopes that they will deliver an investment return doesn't make a whole lot of sense. For every investor, the goal is to find a way to solve a problem. The more significant the issue that gets resolved, the higher the potential value. Create a portfolio with a limited number of cryptocurrencies. As with every other kind of investment, investors should create a portfolio and actively work on it for the long term. Selectively choosing cryptocurrencies is imperative. You only want to invest in things that you understand and try to keep your emotions under control. Exchanging your cryptocurrencies for money. Never forget that your cryptocurrency can be traded for traditional money. The market is currently in the process of enabling all exchanges, making the previous lock-in risk obsolete. As the market conditions change, make sure that you continue to exchange your crypto for cash. Read the right sources. The internet today lets everybody and their uncle become experts during a hype. Be skeptical when following advice from people and selecting sources to read. The internet only has a handful of bloggers that are worth pursuing when it comes to cryptocurrency. Trading in cryptocurrency can be extremely confusing and risky. Keep these easy tips in mind as you navigate through the complex world of cryptocurrency.